Hey, today let's record a screen into your Windows. So there's a few methods that can help you really fast. The first method is the Snipping Tool. This is going to be best for tutorials like this. So the first option is that you need to type Windows, Shift, and S. Just like that, here it's going to be displaying the visual icons at the top. So what you want to do is to draw a box around the part of the screen you want to record, or the whole thing. So in this case, we are set it up as an actual picture. So you want to change this for video. Now, if you click directly inside here, you want to choose, let's say, the marked area, and you select, let's say, for example, I want to record all of this, or only this part. When you finish with this element, just stop it, and into the upper side, you can just type record. And automatically it's going to be saving directly to your videos folder. Now, I'm not going to be doing this at the moment because this video will be, let's say, stopped from the OBS. OBS is an actual application that can help you to record with more advanced settings, such as adding, for example, more sources, more display captures, effects, and so much more. Now, the second method is the Xbox Game Bar. This is best for gaming and the system audio. If you have, for example, a top gaming and Asus, or you have the latest version of the Windows 11, if you type Windows G, usually what happens is that it will be showing you the actual capture widget and the record button automatically. So basically here what we do have is the availability to check out more tools, for example, the tools of the inputs, the outputs, which I'm going to be using today. And here into the upper side we have an actual toolbar. For example, here is the capture, the elements, the Xbox socials, but I'm going to be focusing only with this capture element. So as you can see, here is for photos and here it is for videos. And here, for example, it appears my actual shortcut, which is going to be really amazing, and I can see the actual insides of my computer right when I'm actually, before I wanted to make a recording. Now, a pro tip that I can give you, if that is you want to start recording instantly without opening any kind of menus, basically here what you just need to do is just to press Windows Alt R. So I'm going to close all of this. There we go. And if I type once again the Windows Alt R, it will be, of course, showing me the actual element of the recording, just like that. Just press the small timer appearing in the corner of the screen, and this was the fastest way to catch a moment you don't want to miss. Now press it again to stop and save the file, and you're actually good to go. So no downloads, no watermarks, completely free. Hit the like button, subscribe to this channel for more shortcuts that actually worked. If none of this actually worked for you, you might want to be checking out the About section of your computer to see which is the actual version of your system, and check out what is compatibility or what is not. So thank you for watching. See you next time.